what's up? Welcome to another video where we're going to cover our interview questions in data structures and algorithms. Now, in this question, we're going to do a substring with concatenations. So I just copy the question here first. You have a look at it, and we get to understand the question better. So the question is here, and it's you're given a string S and an array of string words. All the strings or the words are of the same length. Concatenated string is a string that exactly contains all the strings of any permutation of words concatenated. For example, if word A, B, C, D, E, F, then when we concatenate it, we're going to have A, B, C, D, E, F as one word. So all the concatenations of any permutation of words returns an array of strings citing indexes of all the concatenated substrings in a string. You can return your answer in order. For example, input of this numbers of this string. Sorry, you're going to find this. You're going to get this output here. So the substring starting at 0 is bar 4. It is the concatenation of bar and 4, which is permutation of words. Substrings starting at 9 is for bar. It is the concatenation of bar, which is permutation of words. Now, with that said, let us just first create this function, and we can call the function first. And we see find substring, okay, is equals to function, that is going to be with parameters of a string and words that the string is going to form. So the first thing that we need to do is call this if statement, that is if string or there's no words, yeah, or words length, words dot length is equals to 0, then return an array, okay, and then we're going to have our variables here, that is word length is equals to words is equals to words from the index of 0 to the string length. Okay, and let total length is equals to word length multiplied by words word length, that is the string, that is the array. Let result, we need to form these variables, and the result is going to give us an array. Let word count is equals to new map. Okay, new map. Yeah. So the first thing that you need to do is count the frequency of each word in the count the frequency of each word in the words array. Count the frequency uh, in the word of each word in the words array. Okay, in the words array. And for us to do that, we have to iterate through these words. So let word of words be what? Word count. We're going to return a word count. Then we're going to call this set of word and word count. Dot get the word. Okay. Or 0, yeah, plus 1. That is the index of the last element. So after that, we need to loop through the string to check every possible starting point. Loop through the string to check possible starting point. Okay. And for us to loop, we're going to use for loop. We're going to use for loop let I is equals to 0. Let I is equals to 0. I is less or equals to s length minus total length incrementing. Okay. So then we're going to have this variable sin to check for the variable, and it's going to be new map. Okay. Let j is equals to 0. So what do you need here? To loop while looping through the string to check and checking the possible starting point, we have to use a while loop. Yeah, and we're going to use while j is less word dot length. Is it word or words? We have a typo there. Words length. Then return this word that we're going to declare here of a substring substring of I plus j times word length. I plus j plus 1 over times word length to find the length of the word in the string. So if your word count in that set as word that we're looking at, then throw throw the scene function scene set of the set word, then uh, uh, wide then set scene wide, and we're going to have set scene dot get the word. Remember, we're getting wide, or 0 plus 1. Okay, so if the word is seen more times than expected, then break. Okay, if word is seen more than expected, then break. And how are we going to break? If seen dot get the word, yeah, is greater than the count word count dot get word, then you do what? You break. Then you call the break. Okay, you call the break method. Else uh, else break. Else break if the word is not part of the word. Okay, if the word is not part of the word array, then break as well. Then you're going to return this j incrementing. Okay, so if the word if all the words match, add the start index to the result. So how are you going to add the result to the how are you going to add it to the result? So you're going to use if, yeah, if j is equals to 0, sorry, if j is equals to word dot length, that is the length of the word dot length, yeah, that is the length, the words dot length, the length of the array. Then you're going to return result, return result dot push. Okay, result dot push. Then you're going to have this index here. I think we have a query somewhere. I don't know where this is coming from. Okay, we put more equal sign here more than they're supposed to be. So there was a typo, and I cannot compile the code. Then return the result. Now there's a result that you've added. I don't know. Let me think of. Let me get an example and see what we're going to find. What we're going to have as a result here. So the expected output ought to be 0 and 9 words in this array, elements in this array, and let us try and concatenate and see if we're going to get that that solution. Boom, 0 and 9. We have it, my friend. So that was it with this question, and I'll see you in the next question as we continue to practice more on how to ace that interview questions.